What's the student community like? Do we get to work together a lot? Education is a social endeavor. It's something that happens amongst human beings, organized in certain ways. And so there are many opportunities to work together, but that's not so much just community life here at Cardiff University. We have many societies that you can get engaged with. Cardiff is an amazing city. It's a little city that feels big. It's got a vibrant nightlife. It's got lots of green spaces. It's a very walkable city. And it's a city where I feel like people settle into quickly and feel home in quickly. And at Cardiff University, we have a concept called cynefin. It's a Welsh word that kind of speaks about your habitat and your sense of belonging to it. I have a friend who talks about cynefin in terms of a verb. How do we cynefin? How do we make sure we feel at home amongst the places that we're in? So in terms of the communities, you will have opportunities to work with each other on assessments or within teaching sessions with your peers, but you also have independent study as well, and that's good to have that contrast. But I think the most meaningful thing, the most important thing, is engaging in that kind of social aspect of what it means to be a student at Cardiff University. Get to know the lecturers and the professional staff, get to know other students, get to know the city a little bit, and bring those experiences in and out of the teaching sessions and other experiences that you have.